Welcome to this question, right? Which of the following has maximum energy, right? So one of the easiest question, you can easily solve it. So this is the basics. So we have learned this Hund's rule, right? Why these are things we have learned in what filling of electrons, right? So there we have learned what we have learned about of Bohr principle, right? N plus L rule, N plus L rule, and again we have learned about Hund's rule, right? These things we have learned, right? One more rule is there, what? No two electrons can have all four same quantum numbers, right? That is the Pauling's exclusive principle. Pauling's exclusive what? Principle, right? So these are the rules we have learned, right? So this question is purely based on what? Hund's rule only. Because see, Hund's tells that if I have any electrons like this, for example, see, I have here 3s box and 3p box, and here I have what? 3p box, and I have given 6 electrons. I have given how many electrons? 6 electrons to fill them. So Hund's rule, according to Hund's rule, what he tells? He tells that if I have 6 electrons, I have to fill like this. Initially 3s will be having lower energy according to which? Of a principle. So it will be filled. Later on, once all the boxes are half filled, then pairing happens. So 2 electrons, and again I left with what? 4 electrons. So 4 electrons will be filled like this. Initially 4 electrons occupy singly like this boxes, right? Boxes are nothing but the orbitals, they singly occupy. Later what happens? Pairing happens. So this is the Hund's rule, right? If this case happens only, then only the electrons are filled in orbitals, that too with what? Less energy. Less energy means they will be what? More stable. But the question is, which of the following has maximum energy? They have asked maximum energy, means we have to search for what? Unstable. Which is unstable. So this is the Hund's rule, which gives less energy means minimum energy. Less energy is nothing but what? Minimum energy, so more stable. So this is the more stable. So this is not the correct option, because they have what? Asked maximum energy means less stable. So this is more stable, as it has got less energy. So this is not our answer. So here how many electrons are there? 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, right? So this is what? Excited state. Excited state means more energy. So it has got more energy. Let me write it here, more energy. What about C? C, here how many electrons are there at C? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 electrons are there, and 7 electrons are not occupied like this here, right? They haven't occupied. Let me change the color of the pen so that you can easily observe it with red pen only, right? See, so 7 electrons are there, right? Here 7 electrons means what? 7 electrons means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It should be like this, but here 2 excitation has happened. One excitation, second excitation. So 2 excitation means very high energy. Very high energy means what? Maximum energy, unstable. This is unstable. Here it is also more energy. Why it is more energy? Because 6 electrons are there here. 6 electrons means what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But here one excitation has happened, right? So here also more energy, but here 2 excitations, one excitation and 2 excitation. So it is will be very high energy, right? So this is very high energy. Talking about DC, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 means 6 electrons. 6th electron should come here. Only one excitation. So you may ask, so our answer for this question is C answer, because 2 excitations. 2 excitations means very high energy. The molecule, the electron configuration will be unstable. So they have asked maximum energy. So C is the answer. And now you will have the doubt, sir, what about B and C? Here also 6 electrons are there, and in D also 6 electrons are there, and here also one excitation which you have shown, and here also one excitation. Whether both will be having same energy or different energy? My answer is both will be having what? Same energy only. Both will be having same energy only, right? So this distance doesn't depend. If it gets excited here, if it gets excited here, if it gets excited here, no problem. Both are will be having what? Same energy. But the maximum energy will be what? With C, because 2 excitations, 7 electrons, more energy, and 2 excitations. Hence maximum excitation will be for C. Thank you.